దుఃఖాల్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి సేవ చేయడానికి వినియోగించండి. అలా చేయగలిగితే భగవంతుడు ఎప్పుడు మీ అభివృద్ధిని ఆయన తప్పకుండా అనుగ్రహిస్తూ ఉంటాడు. చాలా సంతోషం. మాఘమాసంలో ఒక చక్కటి ఆరంభాన్ని వారు ప్రస్తుతం చేశారు. అది ఎప్పుడు కూడా అభివృద్ధి చెందాలి అని మేము కోరుకుంటూ జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.
స్వామీజీ గారు ఇక్కడికి రావడం అండ్ ఈ స్టోర్ ఆయన చేతుల మీదుగా ప్రారంభించడం, వీఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ దాట్ అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ స్వామీజీ. మాకు అసలు ఐఎమ్ బ్లెస్డ్ to start this store with your presence and hope we're gonna grow more in future with your blessings. We are keeping all pure handloom sarees. Starting range is from 3,000 rupees and it goes till 2 lakh, and we are serving with gold and silver zaris, Narayanpeta, Kanjivaram, Banaras, Kota, Chanderi, tissue. So we are keeping all categories of sarees. Well, like I have another store earlier in Jubilee Hills, and this is our second store. And I myself, I have my own label, Aruna Gaul. I'm a fashion designer.
I would like to thank CCC Devanath Swami for coming here and blessing this shop on behalf of Aruna, who is a very dear and old friend of mine. In fact, she's done about 4-5 ventures, and she's a fantastic entrepreneur. She's gone to Delhi and she established herself there. Then she was in Bombay, she was in Goa, she's everywhere. And she's setting up stores for people, and many of her establishments are going on. And she's actually an engineer. She's an electrical engineer, which nobody talks about, which I think is very important, because otherwise she looks like a child and nobody takes her seriously. So I always make it a point to say she's an engineer. And she's did a fashion show for 3 days at Park Sumajigoda. I think Ananya was here. They gave a place for almost for free for 3 days. I mean, some 18 lakh bill, they brought it down to 3. She's here somewhere. Yeah, she's here. So anyway, so I'd like to thank, and I was, I'm so happy that Swami came and blessed us, and to share the space as a chief guest here, it was really very important for me.